Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to be getting into this wig. Would you take a look at that? It looks super natural and scalp like. So keep on watching and I'll give you all the details, and also we'll do some styling. Alright guys, so this wig comes from a company by the name of RiRi Wigs. The packaging is super cute. Some of these boxes I don't even want to open. Comes with a thank you card and also some instructions on exactly what you received, okay? So inside the packaging you get like this little brush, which is pretty cool, and also a wig cap. All right, wig comes with a net around it to protect it, which is awesome. The wig has pre-bleached knots, it is pre-plucked, and it does have the removable elastic band, okay, to make it truly glueless. It also has combs. The cap construction is really set up great. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Alright guys, so the size of wig cap I have is a large. The large is a 23 inches, okay? Just to give you guys a little, idea of how big that is. The wig's density is 130% density. It is in a natural color and it is 18 inches. Alright, so now I'm going in with this wax stick. It allows everything to kind of lay down and have that kind of pressed look that I like. So I'm going for like the messy wet look, like not the hard wet look. So I'm just going in, kind of wetting the hair just with some water and combing the hair out with the brush that actually came with it, which is a pretty nice brush. I think those are some sort of detangle brushes, if I'm not mistaken. I think I've seen those as detangling brushes. I think that's what they're specifically used for. But anywho, yeah, I'm just combing out the artificial curl that it comes in, and I'm about to define the actual curl pattern of the hair, because we all know like curly hair and wavy hair comes in like this hard wave pattern, and you kind of have to manipulate it a little bit to get, to the actual curl pattern. So as far as baby hair goes, this part here is very optional, guys. You can either have baby hair or not have baby hair. The thing about having it, you just kind of mess with it and manipulate it and kind of make it what you want it to be, basically. I was just playing with mine to kind of see exactly what I wanted. This wig actually does really great with no baby hair, but I just kind of wanted some, not actually like baby hair, but kind of like just little sparse hairs. I just play with them quite a bit, and it ends up kind of looking a little bit more natural with the type that I end up going with. I didn't want anything like hard, like I didn't want hard, like defined baby hairs, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've already went through the specs of this hair, so we're just gonna take like a closer look, so to say, at what it looks like. So this is the curl slash wave pattern of the hair. Okay, so the curl slash wave pattern, I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna depend on how you chose to manipulate your hair. I chose to put some water in it and also some mousse. Okay, so I like to do that because I find that when doing that I get like more of a defined curl, and I do that with like all wavy hair and all curly hair. It just gives me like a defined curl. I did go in with a blow dryer and I blow dried my hair. I don't really recommend that. I would recommend going in with a diffuser or going in like just letting it air dry on its own, because it's always going to be 10 times more pretty when you just let it air dry on its own. Okay, so mine is a little big. It has a little frizz to it because I let the hair dryer hit it, but I kind of like it like that because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural instead of everything just being like super defined. It kind of looks like, you know, the wind hit it, and you know, like I'm just, it's mine. Like we want it to look, right? So I absolutely love that. Okay, I'm trying to get used to like the side parts. Y'all know I always do middle parts. But anyways, let's get into this hairline. So I did not pluck the hairline at all, okay, which the hairline didn't need to be plucked. A lot of people are gearing more toward easier wigs. People are tired of doing the ball cap method. People are tired of plucking and bleaching. So the companies are offering these services already. Okay, so you don't have to worry about doing that. A lot of people are inexperienced. They are first time wig wearers, or they just want to get into the, you know, wearing the wigs, or some want to wear them on occasions. And I can honestly say that I love the way these companies are starting to evolve. Okay, now for my girls out there who are just like, look honey, I need my hair to be laid, but I don't want no adhesive. Okay, Aaron, no adhesive for me. I don't like glue. I don't like got to be glue. I feel like this is the wig for you. The wig comes with an adjustable strap in the inside the wig. No more sewing in your own adjustable straps, because I know a lot of people, either we don't know how, or you like me, I just don't want to. Okay, so it does come with the adjustable strap. Love it because it's like the latch on. Look, it's kind of like a hook on a bra strap. I like that. You can take them on and you can take them off. If they're pesky or they're getting on your nerves, or you just don't want them in there that day, take them off and you can use adhesive. Okay, me personally, I did not use any adhesive today. The only thing that I did was I just applied it with the elastic band, and this is truly glueless. Okay, now a lot of people ask, when you apply with the elastic band, you know, what do you do with your ear tabs? Okay, so my ear tabs are just looking kind of like that, okay, which works for me because I wear my hair down. If I were to wear my hair up or back, of course I will put a little bit of got to be on my sides, but I don't plan on wearing my hair up and I don't plan on wearing my hair back. I plan on wearing my hair just like this, honey. Okay, so as far as putting my sides down would not be useful, but on a day-to-day, if that's what you would like to do, then okay, that's what you would like to do. But me, I like I said, it's not really like a big deal to me. So I'm going to show you guys the whole glueless effect. All right, so I'm going to pull it back. All right, so all I have attached is the elastic band. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull it up and sit it right on my hairline. I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. All right, so that's what we are looking like. Okay, so let's do it one more time. We're gonna pull it back. Let's sit it right back on the hairline, or wherever you would like to sit it, however far up or far back you want to sit it. I got a big forehead child, so I like for mine to sit kind of up close. But yeah, that's what we are looking like. Like I said, no adhesive at all. That is the beauty of these wigs and how they are evolving. They're becoming easier and easier and easier. I love the ease of wigs. I don't know about you. I like to pick up a wig and I like to go. I don't like to deal with the gluing, and then it's about to get hot. It's about to get hot outside. They got to be, don't last long in the summertime heat. I can tell you that right now. And some glues just don't last either. So yeah, you may be the type of person that may want to do something more so of like glueless, okay? And it could be both ways. You can put glue or gel on it, or you know, you can go out the door without it on there, okay? So it's very versatile. So anyways, guys, let me know what you all think about this wig, okay? I think it's actually absolutely beautiful, and I think it looks really, really natural. It's a natural length. I have it all like swished to one side, but anyway, it's a natural length. It's a natural density, and I just think it looks really, really good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the links down below. Also, let's discuss in the comments, are you liking the new way these wigs are evolving? You know, do you guys like how easy these companies are making it to where all you have to do is kind of like put it on, like no effort? You cut your lace, you put it on, okay? They may even start making rip off lace to where all you gotta do is rip your lace off. I don't know. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and we'll definitely discuss. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.